Hello guys, today we have a review of one of the best selling USB chargers on Temu platform. I ordered this particular charger because of the low price compared to what it promises. And as we all know, when we want to buy something from China and read the specification of the product, it sounds too good to be true. So I ordered it just to try to see if the specification of this USB charger are real, or at least half of them. As you can see, the device has 5 USB power outputs. The first two outputs are USB 2.0. The third output is USB Type-C. The fourth output is QC 3.0, which is quick charge port, and the PD Type-C output at 25 watts, which is power delivery USB port. And the maximum power output is at 65 watts. On the label we see output power from each USB port. So we'll start from USB A1, which has multiple voltage outputs, like 5 volts at 6 amps maximum, 9 volts at 3.7 amps, 12 volts at 2.8 amps, and 15 volts at 2.2 amps. So the voltage switching depends on the device which is connected to the charger. So as you understand, it is very advanced technology. The charger must have very complex ICs to allow this function. The funny thing about the whole case is that it writes the maximum power output which it can produce is max 20 watts. And now I am asking, how can I get from this port 6 amps at 5 volts which is 30 watts? So I will not rush to comment on this and I will continue with the label, which is copy-paste specs of USB port 1 for the rest USB ports except PD power delivery port which is at 25 watts. Before we do any test, let's wait first to see how much this particular charger weighs. Now it is time to hook it up on our load tester. As we see on the screen, the limit on the first USB output current is around 3.2 amps at 5 volts, which is around 15 to 16 watts. So, as you can see, all ports have same outputs. I am starting to believe that all these ports are connected in parallel, as other fake USB chargers out there. So there is one way left to find that. It is open the charger and take a close look from inside. From the construction side, as you can see, pure nightmare. Everything is glued with glue and silicones. The circuit is very cheap and simple. On the bottom side of the board it has a rectifier to rectify the alternating voltage AC to continuous DC, IC driver for high frequency transformer, and protection MOSFET that switches the output of the USB from overcurrent. And fuse. Now believe me, I feel very safe. Another funny thing is that on the board marking writing PD035 and 3A. The last 3A marking is the maximum current output of this board. As I told you before, here on the board it is clearly seen that all the output ports are parallel connected to each other. So, our conclusion is that the maximum power output is at 15 to 16 watts, instead of 65 watts which is written on the charger. The only thing I can find are the switching ICs that change the port output voltage, and I didn't even expect to find them. To tell the truth, I wouldn't trust to connect any device to it for charging, and I wouldn't even feel too safe to use it. From me it gets a 1.5 out of 10 because the charger has nothing to do with characteristics that are written on it. So I will leave it on the shelf which it deserves.